The strength.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today we are back with another Lavish bath box unboxing. This is for the month of April, and it feels nice and hefty. So if you're curious to see what products I got for the April Lavish bath box, then stay tuned and let's get in to this video. I thought I opened this video. So let's just dive right in. So this is what I see when I open the box. And let's see here. So it says Lavish Bath Box, April 2019. And this is just super cute. I love the pineapple here. Oh, this pear is giving me all the feels. This is just such a cute card. And it has all the items on the back. Now, I did do my March unboxing, and I'm still kind of working through those products. So I will, once I finish a product from Lavish and I have enough of them finished, I will do an update. Did I love it? Did I hate it? But so far, the products from the March box are doing me well. So just stay tuned for an update on those items later. These are the items that I see in the box, and I am super excited to dive right in. It smells amazing. So the first item that I am pulling out of the box, this is called the Dirt Bag, and it's an all-natural face mask. So this looks interesting. So it's a berry balm, and it says just to use a few splashes of water, put this in a bowl, apply this to the face, and then wash it off. Wait for 10 minutes, and then you wash it off, and then you follow it with a moisturizer. So yeah, I am interested to try this, and I might actually try this with maybe a get ready for bed video with you guys. So let me know if you're interested, and we can try this out together. And yeah, that seems really cool. And the next thing that I'm pulling out, oh, this is adorable. So this is a strawberry bath bomb. And yeah, oh, smells so good. Oh my goodness, now that is giving me a lot of like summery feelings. So yeah, so this is the Strawberry Field Bath Bomb. So it says strawberry baths forever. This is a sweet, freshly picked, strawberry scented and shaped foaming bath bomb, hand printed with mica? Oh, guys, this smells, I wish I had smell-o-vision because this smells so good. And I just love that it's a strawberry. It looks so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is fantastic, and I'm in love with the scent. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out, this is the Kiwi Cutie Bubble Bar, and it actually looks like a kiwi. How cute and creative is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this says, again, you can break this into little pieces, apply it, put it in your bathtub, and it will give you some nice bubbles. And the scent of this is a blend of kiwi, pineapple, jackfruit, a hint of jasmine, sweet vanilla, and coconut. Oh my god. Oh, this smells good. Oh my goodness. This smells amazing. Oh, okay, so already I am loving April scents more than March scents. Oh, that smells fantastic. Okay. Ooh, okay, so this is exciting. So the next item I'm pulling out, this is the Peach Perfect Lip Scrub. And oh, you guys know how much I love lip scrubs. You know how much I love liquid matte lipstick. So I definitely need something to help my lips out. Okay, so this is a lip scrub that will just rejuvenate your lips. And yeah, it's got some keratin-rich wild carrots in it. And let's just give it a smell. I just could smell this box all day. I don't know if it'll focus because it is pretty white. But yeah, it has the sugar crystals in here. Feels very gelatin in texture, which is okay. And oh, okay, so it is oil infused. And I am loving it. Okay, that feels nice. Now the sugar crystals, they're not large. They're not like Jeffree Star lip scrub large, but with the oil, because Jeffree Star's doesn't have oil infused If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but I don't feel oil in his, but this one has that oily texture and I'm not mad at it. It's actually pretty interesting. So I'll definitely use this in a get ready for bed video with me, and along with that dirty bag face mask. Okay, so the instructions say gently rub onto your lips to scrub them soft and smooth, and then you can lick off any of the excess. It is cruelty free and vegan. And yeah, and that, oh, that smells really, really good. Okay, so I'm excited to give this a try along with that dirty bag face mask. But yeah, that smells delicious, delicious. And the next thing I am seeing here, so this is the Avocado Bath Bomb. Okay, I love me some avocado anything. So this is what it looks like. And you guys, it looks like an avocado. Like, can we just give Lavish some, like, applause for just their creativity on these bath bombs that they find? Okay, so this is the Avocado Bath Bomb. And let's see, it smells as good as it looks. Now, avocado doesn't have a smell to me, but this one, I'm not getting anything, but it's okay. So the scent, so this is scented with avocado, blackberry, grassy mint, citrus, zucchini, garden cucumber, violet leaf, green vine, squash, and musk. That is a lot of scent in one bath bomb. So I'm not getting this scent, but that's okay. And I really hope it's not like overly mint, because mint is a migraine trigger for myself. So if I open it, there's no like hole to smell, but hopefully when I open it and I put it in my bathtub, it's not gonna like give me a migraine or anything. But yeah, so this is a super cute. I really do like it, and yeah, we'll give this a try as well. And the last thing that I'm pulling out here, this is the Watermelon Body Buff Scrub. And this is what it looks like. And you guys, look, it's like two-tone colors. It's got green and pink. That is super cute. All right, so let's see. With the Body Buff Scrub, it says that this is a mouth-watering, juicy, watermelon-scented body buff. It's made from shea butter and sugar to gently exfoliate your skin while leaving you smelling like a sweet snack. All right, so let's give this. Yep, this smells like watermelon. Well, yeah, it smells like watermelon candy. So, you know, like the, yeah, so any candy that is watermelon, this is what this smells like. I particularly don't like watermelon, but this definitely is giving me like the candied watermelon that I do avoid. It doesn't feel as exfoliating as the lip scrub. The crystals in here aren't as large, but I'm hoping that it will still leave my skin nice and soft. So how to use this, it says you want to use this in the shower or your bath after bathing to exfoliate and butter your skin, and then you rinse off well. Oh, and this is vegan and cruelty free as well. And yeah, it's a shea butter and sugar scrub. And again, the crystals aren't as large in here like the lip scrub, but I'm really hoping that I will still get that exfoliating feel, because I do really like large crystal or large sugar crystals if it's supposed to be like an exfoliant to like really get in there. But yeah, I will definitely give this a try. And the smell is to me. I'm not a big watermelon fan, but I do smelling it without the lid. But I will give it a shot. That is my Lavish bath box unboxing for the month of April, and I so far am super excited to give all of these fruity tooty items a try. So let me know if you guys are subscribed to a subscription box that you just love. I would love to hear about it down in the comment box down below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.